Hello and good afternoon, everyone. Adam here at Kinion Classic Cars in Clarence, Iowa. This afternoon, we are going to do a walk around, startup, and a drive video on this 1969 Chevrolet Chevelle Super Sport. Now, this car has a 396 engine in it, period correct. It has a Tremec 5-speed manual transmission in this car, so has been upgraded from a 4-speed manual to a 5-speed manual. That's always nice when they put a 5-speed in these cars. It makes them a little more driver friendly. Kind of gets with the age of changing speed limits, I guess, out there on the interstates especially. You know, you don't want to go down the road. You don't want to go down the interstate going 70 mile an hour, turning 3,500 RPMs for any length of time. There you go. 396 underneath the hood. Power steering and power brakes. Disc brakes on the front. Very nicely detailed engine compartment. MSD ignition on this car. Has a vintage heat and air. See, color match firewall. Underneath the hood's nice. This car runs and drives very, very well. We're going to take it for a drive here in just a little bit. It has been a frame-off restoration. The underneath the car is painted body color as well. You can check out your gaps on this car. Your gaps are really nice. Your body lines up very nice. And 12-bolt positive traction rear end. Dual exhaust. It's like about 2.5-inch exhaust. The chrome bumper on the rear is in very good shape. Looks like it's got new taillights. Emblems are very nice. Stainless. Looks good around all the windows. The glass is all in good shape on the car as well, so I'm sure when they restored it, they put new glass in it. Interior, door panels, seats, carpeting, dash pad, all in great shape. Same way with the rear seat. Seat belts are all intact. Rear panels. A couple 6x9s down there. Dome light is working. Sun visors are intact. That one there might need just a little tightening. The seats are really nice and firm in this car. Whoever put the upholstery in did a really good job. See the doors. Sitting on its correct SS wheels with BF Goodrich radial TA raised white letter tires. Front bumper, just like the rear bumper, in excellent shape. Headlights, grille. The car is very straight too. You can look down, right down the side of it. It's very, very straight. Again, the glass is really clear on the driver's side as well. Sail panels, door jamb paint is very nice. Sounds great. All the gauges seem to work. The dash lights work. The windshield wipers work. The radio works. Lighter works. Feels like the air is getting cold. Left turn signal, right turn signal, bright headlight indicator. Car's got a great sound to it too. It's like a real muscle car should. There's no bubbles or blisters down on the bottom of this car. I'll show you the underneath of it real quick. There's the underneath the car. That way you know what I'm saying when I told you it's been pretty much restored. Might have a little dirt on that bar underneath there, but beautiful car. Makes our job here at Kinion Classics a lot easier when they come in this nice, folks. Somebody really took their time restoring this car. They done a great job on it. Turn the air off because the air definitely works. Sunglasses on. Goes down the road very nice. Gauges work, 70 mile an hour. Probably pretty accurate. Beautiful car, one it runs and drives very nice. Kinion Classic Cars, Clarence, Iowa, 563-452-2450. www.kinionauto.com. Turn around here for you, folks. Get out and do a little walk around for you outside quick, and we'll conclude. There she is out in the daylight. Beautiful 1969 Chevelle Super Sport 396 Tremec 5-speed. Everything a real muscle car should be. Gorgeous, gorgeous car. my videos, folks. Have a great afternoon, and I'll talk to you guys very soon.